Hello, I'm Ido from LensVid, and we are here with the new Kingston MobileLite Wireless. This is basically a wireless card reader which allows you to send the images or files from your SD card or from your thumb drive into your mobile device, such as a mobile phone or tablet, directly from, without the use of any computer, directly from the card into the mobile phone. So let's look at the device itself. It's fairly small, not very heavy. You have here a USB connector, a power connector, which allows you to charge the device. It comes with a built-in battery, non-removable one. It can also allow you to charge a mobile phone or any other device from this unit to the mobile phone itself. So you can use the battery from inside this unit to charge a mobile phone or another mobile device. On this side you have the card reader, the SD card reader. It comes with a Microsd adapter, so it allows you to use both SD and Microsd cards. And the unit itself comes with an app which you can download into your mobile device, either an iPhone or an Android app, which we will show you in a second, which allows you to send images and files from your SD card or your thumb drive onto any service that you like, such as a Dropbox or your email or any other service that allows you to basically transfer images and files from your card into the web without the use of a computer. So the next stage we will show you how to use the app to actually work with this device. So we are back here with the MobileLite Wireless from Kingston, and we're going to show you how to connect the MobileLite into our mobile phone, in this case Samsung Galaxy S2, and send images from our SanDisk SD card into the web. So we'll start by putting the card into the device, like this. Here it is. And the second thing we need to do is obviously to turn the device on. So we press this button here. Here it is. Now, it will take some time for the device to sync. You can see the lights here. In our mobile phone, we need to go to Settings, Wi-Fi. And now we have to wait for the device to actually sync with the mobile phone. In a second, it will show the name of the device here on the list. Take some time. Here it is, the MobileLite Wireless. We press it, connect, obtaining IP address, connected. Okay, so we are now connected with the device. Now that we are connected with the device, we can go and see how the app actually works. We get out of the settings, we go to the MobileLite app, which you can download from either the Google Store, the Google App Store, or the iOS App Store, the Apple App Store. Let's go into the MobileLite. Here we have the local storage of the unit. This is the device itself, the Galaxy S2. It doesn't have a built-in a card inside, and the MobileLite Wireless, which is our device here. Let's go into it. And we have an SD card. If we happen to have a thumb drive or some other type of USB connected device, we will see it here as well. So we have our SD card. Let's go inside. And here we have all the libraries inside. Let's go to DSIM. This is an icon, so this is the way it works. And we have the D7100, the D5000, and all sorts of other libraries for cameras that we've used in the past. Let's go into the D5000, for example. And we see here all the files that we have shot with it. Now these are the files. If we go into images, we can see all of the images that we have shot. Now, the problem with this is if you want to go into one image and take a look, here it is. We can go inside. We can ask the app to move from image to image. Here it is. Okay, let's go out of this. The problem is that we can't actually do anything with these images as they are like this. We can't send them or transfer them online or into an email, Facebook, or anything else. What we need to do is go back here, and in this list we need to remember the name of the file that we want to transfer, and then we press here and we have the options. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have email, we have copy, and we have delete. So Facebook, Twitter is obvious, copy and delete is also obvious. Email apparently doesn't just email. If you press this, it takes some time to load, and then it gives you all the options basically to send it somewhere. So on our device we have Dropbox, so it gives you Dropbox. We have Bluetooth if you want to transfer it over Bluetooth, email, Gmail, SkyDrive, Skype, and so on. So it depends on what you have on the drive. Let's say that we want to put this on Dropbox. We basically add Dropbox and say add. It says that we already transferred this, so let's say replace. And in a few seconds, basically, it will tell us that this file has already been uploaded into Dropbox. In the meantime, we can tell you that the one thing that we haven't been able to do with this, here it is, one file added to Dropbox. So it was kind of quick. It's a full-size image. One thing that we weren't able to do with this is basically send multiple images. Now, maybe this is possible, but we haven't been able to figure out a way to do this because in this case you have to choose each image. You have to go and press each and every one of these to actually go and send them. As you can see, by the way, you can only send JPEG to Facebook and Twitter. You can't say raw files. So in RAW, it only gives you email, copy, and delete. So in case you were wondering, if we go one up and see this is the library for the D5000, we only have the option to copy and delete. We don't have the option to send the entire library, which would be a fairly logical way of using this. So it's a bit annoying, but it's quite fast to send each one. So if you're looking for a way to send individual images from an SD card, from your camera, or from a thumb drive, this is a very easy and effective way of doing that. If you just want to send entire folders, this could be obviously more tricky. Again, there might be an option to do this. We're not sure, but we haven't figured it out. But for what it does fairly well, and it's straightforward, simple, and it works. The range is pretty good. You can send it for either SD card or thumb drive or even an external drive, and you can even use this. We haven't tested it, but it says it's supposed to be able to connect directly to your computer and be used basically as an SD card, and you can obviously connect any other device to it and use it as well as a card reader or a thumb drive reader or anything of that sort. So very versatile device, small, easy, and not very expensive. This is the MobileLite wireless from Kingston. You can read more about it on LensVid.com.